Decorating your space when you have $0 is not hard. Sometimes the very things that are in front of us can be utilized to decorate our space that we didn't know. In this video, I will share with you some secrets that you can use to decorate your space with little or no money. I am Renee if you are new here, and I share home decor and DIY videos each week. So if you enjoy contents like these, at the end of this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now, the first secret that we can use to decorate our space is repurposing or upcycling what we already have. So you have a dresser and it's scratched up, it's old, it's outdated, it's not modern. Just add some paint. We can either use spray paint or water paint. Sand down the dresser and just repurpose it, make it look new. And instead of keeping that dresser in your bedroom, or if you still want to use it in your bedroom, no problem, you can use it as a TV stand. So you're switching up the item from your bedroom to your living room and using it as a TV stand. My family had this chair here. They had it outside for so long until I decided that I'm going to repurpose this chair. And by the end of repurposing it, by adding some paint, getting the fabric to put on it, and the fabric is not even purchased. It's a blouse that my mommy had and I cut it and wrap it with it. And this is a chair now. Just by adding paint and a new fabric. So just repurpose the item that you have in your house, add some paint and give it some new life, and that is one way that you can decorate your home for free or little or no money. Because sometimes you already have some paint in the garage or you have some old fabric or so that you haven't utilized. That's a way that you can utilize them now. Another way that you can decorate your space is by making your own wall art. When I say make your own wall art, you can DIY them, or you can go on Google and download one and print it from your printer at home, or just by going to your local shop near you and print it. You can also go on Etsy, get those nice designs, screenshot, print them, and that's you. You got a wall art there. When you're DIYing, you get one of those foam board, paint it, make some design on it. These wall arts here were actually DIYed by myself, just by getting some paint, a ruler and some tape, draw some line, and that is it. And also with the frames, I got some strip of boards, cut them and I join them with nail. So these are a few ways that you can do your own thing at home just to make the space look beautiful. It doesn't really take a bag of money. Another way that we can use to decorate our space is by switching up items. So you have the dresser in the room, as I mentioned, switch them around. You have the furniture in the living room. If you can change the layout of the living room, change the layout. If you can change the layout of the bedroom, change the layout. These will make the space feel a little bit new. When I also say switch things up, I had these wall art behind me in my living room. And what I did, I take them, bring them into my bedroom and give them some new life. So it makes the bedroom look different, it makes the space look different. And then I just created some wall art for the living room. So these are just some simple ways that we can use to decorate our space for free or little money. Another way that you can decorate for free is using what you already have. You have some liquor bottle, right, that you're going to throw away. Don't throw them away. Spray paint them. They can be used as decor pieces. These bottles here under my coffee table are actually liquor bottles that I spray painted. These on this table here as well are bottles that I spray painted. Actually, if you look behind me, over the corner there, that bottle as in the flower, it's a bottle that I spray painted. So these are just a few ways. Use what you have. Sometimes we have simple things around the home, we can just spray paint them. We can just create a design with them. I do a design with a cup and a bowl. I'll put it right here as well, where I spray painted the cup, spray painted the bowl, and then I glue the cup and the bowl together, and then I put a little flowers in it. Those are simple free ways that you can use to decorate your space and change the look. Use a glass vase inside. Use a glass that you have inside as a vase. And this will lead to my next tip. Go outside, pick some branches from your tree, pick some flowers from your tree outside, bring them inside. The first scent from outside will come inside from those flowers. And also, not only that, Floral is another way that you can use to decorate your space. So people will always say add some greenery. Pick the branch from outside instead of going to a store to buy them. You have them outside for free. Cut a few, put them into a nice glass, one of those nice clear glass. Put some water in it and you already have the glass spray painted bottle. Put them and decorate them. So those are just a few ways, as I mentioned, that you can decorate your space for free or little or no money. Another way that you can decorate your space is to shop on sale. When I say shop on sale, if you're going to decorate for summer is coming. Start buying little things that you see on sale for summer. Don't wait until summer when the items are more expensive. Start buying from now for summer. So at least when summer comes, it's just time to decorate instead of you going out to look for things to purchase. So that is why sometimes when I show in the shopping videos, I show you ideas that you can use to decorate your space with the items. Start shopping on sale or shopping early. Also, if you have a thrift store near you, visit a thrift store. Thrift store has a lot of wall art, lamps, things on reasonable prices that can DIY. We don't have thrift store out here in Jamaica where we live. We have Salvation Army, but our Salvation Army is nothing like yours. When I went there, I didn't see anything more than junks. I think we need to revamp our Salvation Army out here and just enjoy what you have. So you have a lot of stores over there. You have the Dollar Tree, you have the Macy's, you have the Target, you have the Walmart. We have to shop multiple stores if we're working with a set color. And I might do a video on that. Disadvantages of decorating here in the Caribbean or in Jamaica versus you guys in the US. If you're living in a rental space and know you have struggled changing the look of your space, in this video right here I will share with you some rental friendly peel and stick products that you can use to decorate your space. So let's head on over to this video and I'll see you over there.